You should now have 8,000 points if you're individual or 16,000 points if you're a family. For the next step, we'll show you how My Filing works. Once again, go to My Financial Wellness. Next, click on My Filing on top. On this section, you can store important documents. This is actually handy if you want to store documents such as ID, passport, contract, certificates, qualification, any documentation that you want available anywhere. Once again, please realize that your privacy is completely protected. Therefore, you can actually upload any files. You have to upload 10 files to get the maximum points of 1000. You will get 100 points per file that you upload. Just go to the section that you want to, the folder that you want to upload the files into, click on the upload icon, add files, and go to wherever the files are that you want to upload. Click on start upload and the files will upload automatically. Once again, as simple as that.